boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar FELIP Fake Faces. Alright, so this is only a 3-chord song, and we'll look at the string pattern works for this, and that's it. So let's start this one with the capo here on the 1st fret. So we have G, A minor, and F. That's what goes around here in the song. So first, the G chord goes like that, 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And yeah, we'll mostly work here with the bass notes, so make sure you get this bass right here. And that's for all these 3 chords. Next one is the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And we have the F bar chord. So you play the bar here on the 1st fret. You have your index finger crossing all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so when it comes to the verse play, you play down, up, and a pause, okay, in between all these chords. So you're gonna play 1 string around for G, 1 for A minor, and 2 for F. So down, up, and pause. And in that pause, you want to really kill the sound here. So what you do is to lift off the tension here from the strings on the fretboard, or you can just lean your hand, your strumming hand, or your fretboard hand on the strings and just mute all the sound like that. So when I do the down, up pause, I do like this. So both lift up here, my left hand, and my right hand, my strumming hand, are leaning on top of the strings. Because some of the strings here are open. That means if you lift off here, then some strings will ring out anyways. That's the reason for why I'm muting with my strumming hand as well and leaning on top of the strings. So really make sure that everything dies there. All right, so down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 2 on F. If you want, you can also add a clap after that, if you wish. So down, up, clap. Down, up, clap. Down, up, clap. It's up to you. That's in the verse play. Then, of course, the same chords comes in the chorus, but here is more action when it comes to the strumming. So here you're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, up. So instead of the pause, you're gonna add up, down, up, like this. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Same here, 1 on G, 1 on A minor, and 2 on F, like this. And that's how I'm going to continue verse through chorus through the entire song. And that sums it up for FELIP's Fake Faces. Hope you enjoyed this. Play tuned.